What's up, my viewers and my subscribers? Welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. In today's video, as you see here on my table here, it's all about a sea mass smoothies. All right. Yeah, this drink made for someone with diabetes or someone with cancer, you know what I mean? Stick and stay, soon forward.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
So right about now, the first thing on the list is my coconut here. Yeah? That is the first important thing, my coconut, alright? Secondly, my honey. My honey. My honey is on the list secondly, you know what I mean? Yeah? I have some molasses here. Yeah? And then I have my mixed spice, all my mixed spices. You know what I mean? Yeah? All my mixed spices. Okay. You know, some person don't like the taste of the raw sea mass. So you can add a little, you know, a little supplement to it. Alright, to give you a better taste. Alright. This is organic, but you know, some person like to touch a little of the dragon inside of it. But we're not gonna do any dragon inside this one today, alright? But I'm just showing. Alright? Yeah. Next, orange. Make sure you tip some orange inside, orange juice inside here, natural orange juice. Alright? This is what going to help the honey to sweeten the sponge here. Yeah? As you can see here, I have some dry sea mass. Dry sea mass. Nutmeg. Alright? Yeah? Little whip. Alright? Whip them up. Yeah? Here, I have some sea mass here. Soak about 2 days now and ready to blend. Some more sea mass. Alright? I have a touch of roots tonic inside here. Organic roots tonic. Yeah. No alcohol. Yeah. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about time to get the show on the road. So first thing first, I need my juice here. So I'm gonna break this coconut and blend it to get the juice. Just a little bit of water, but if you have coconut water like jelly water, it is the best to blend the coconut. If not, you use bottled water. Yeah, that are purified water. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Coconut. So right about now, it's all about I have to get this coconut mash and blend. Stick around. Don't touch the dial. Alright, time to get my coconut blend cut up with some water. Alright? Yeah. Alright, now my viewers, the coconut milk ready. As you can see in my ice keg here, coconut milk is ready. Alright. So now it's all about time to get cracking. Make sure you wash your hand clean. Yeah. Snap on back the blender. As you can see, this is after soak sea mass. Alright. So I have to cut my orange now to get it juice. Alright. Have a little mint here. Yeah. In my water, you know what I mean? It's all about natural is the mystic is natural. Okay, my viewers, for person who have diabetes, you know, you wake in the morning, you feel drowsy and you feel weak and tired and like, you know, you don't want to move. This is the type of drink that you drink, alright? To get you back on the road. Yeah? So okay, my viewers. It's time to add my sea mass. It's time to add my sea mass. Alright? So for 2 days. Very thick. As you can see, very thick. This is the power. This is the boss. Sea mass. Alright? This is the boss. Okay, after adding the sea mass, yeah, it's time for the banana. Alright, so you're going to peel your banana. Yep, make sure it's well ripe. Alright, you don't have to break it up, it's so soft. All you need to do, make sure you put it inside the blender. Alright, it is 2 banana. 2 banana. Alright, second one. Okay, it's time to add the juice. So you know, I have to make this juice now. Alright. Going to make this juice right now. Don't watch this chopper here. This chopper is made by my hands, you know? Yeah. Made by these hands here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. As you can see, it is a saw blade. And I make it into a chopper. Alright? I'll show you. It have a name on it. I don't know if you can see it. Have a slick chopper. Don't know if you can see it here. Alright? Beautiful, beautiful. It's time to squeeze. It's time to squeeze, get out little of the rind inside here and all of the juice. Alright? There you go. Orange juice. Natural orange juice, alright? You're gonna strain it. Okay, the use of the orange juice now. Once this smoothie go into your system, it goes straight to your blood because of the natural orange juice. Alright? In everything that you do, you have a little orange juice in it, it goes straight to your blood. If not, use a little black pepper, straight into your blood. Use a little coffee in it, straight to your blood. Alright? Yeah, man. So about a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Nutmeg. Yeah? Not too much, not just a tip. Just a tip of nutmeg, alright? viewers, the next ingredients, vanilla. Vanilla. But this one don't finish as yet, so I'm gonna use a little out of this one. About 2 tablespoons. All right. Almond flavoring. All right. Just a tip. Just a tip. Just a tip. That's it. Okay. It's time to blend this section now before we go any further. All right. Here goes. All right. Just a 10-second blend. It's time to add. I can smell the flavor, you know. It's time to add my coconut milk now. Rich coconut milk, all right? Yeah. It's about a cup. Add my coconut milk, my rich coconut milk. Yeah. You know, coconut milk is good for the membrane. You know what is your membrane? Your membrane is the inside of your organs, you know. The coconut milk, it clean the inside of your organs, all right? Yes. So this punch is organic punch. Yes, now the juice I get bad. All right. It's time to add the rich taste of honey. All right. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of honey. Yeah, 1/4 cup of honey. I'm just judging it right now. All right. But you can sweeten it to your taste, how you want it. All right. So there goes the honey. Time to mix a blend again. All right. Time to give it a little dark touch. You know, the molasses. All right. So you want a teaspoon. You want a teaspoon of molasses. All right. I'm just judging it at this time, so you can use the amount you want, the taste that you want. All right. Close again. Blend. All right. It's time to add the rest of sea moss. All right. Can hardly come out of the sauce, ain't it? All right. That is the big man in the punch. You know what I mean? That is the guy that's gonna punch you. You know? Yeah. The sea moss, it's going to punch you like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's time to blend again. All right. All right, my viewers, don't forget you see this drink on Jamaican Farmers Hut, all right? When we say Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about farming. It's a farming revolution, all right, my people? Let's blend. All right. It is time to test how thick it is. And see if anything leave inside the bottom. All right. Well blend. All right. Seems like it is too much right now. So what I'm going to do, there's a piece of sea moss leave inside here. When you use the hot water to soak the sea moss in, and you throw off that first water, you can use the second water. This is the second water where the sea moss soak in. It is very thick. It can use, all right, because you use the hot water to soak the first batch and throw it off. Now the second water you can use it. All right, so don't want to put too much into this thing, so I'm gonna all right, my viewers, I want to add the supplement. You don't have to add the supplement, you know, but you know some people don't like the taste, the natural raw taste of the sea moss. This is what you can use to give you that high boost flavor, you know what I mean? So that you would feel like drink it all day. But eating the sea moss, just soak the sea moss and eat it, it is very powerful to your health because you get the natural benefit from the sea moss, you know what I mean? So right about now, I'm about to put the supplement in, but it is too much inside. So I'm gonna throw off some here. Yep. Yep. Yeah man, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Because there's a lot of things coming out right now on the channel, alright? Yeah. Okay. Tasting very good already, you know. Yeah man, yes my people, me taste it, you know. Tastes nice. See. Alright. Time to pop the can. This is not a sponsored video. You know what I mean? But we're using a supplement just to give some taste. Alright. Can you see the rich color? It is the same color that this sponge have here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think everything is finished outside that. Make a little blend again. All right. Yeah, my viewers, have some more coconut water juice here. Throw off a little more because I want to blend everything together. Right? Take time to throw off the coconut milk. Don't make the last part of it go inside. All right? Okay? Okay, my viewers. So at this time, if you want to touch a little bit more vanilla. Yeah, that girl vanilla. Yeah, man. That girl vanilla. Alright. Yeah. If you want to touch a little bit more honey, it is the time. It is the time for it. Right? Okay. Remember I tell you I have some roots tonic. This is some organic roots tonic. You know? Yeah. It was fermented for 21 days in peanut and ginger. So I want to add a tip of it inside here. About a quarter cup. Yeah? Roots tonic, alright? Yeah, me people, so you hear it from Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright? One more blend again for the people who have diabetes. Yeah? Cancer. And all those sickness. Yeah man, this is the punch. This is the punch. The sea moss punch, alright? Alright, my viewers, I could have had a little brandy, you know. I could have had a little brandy in it. Yeah. I could have had some dragon into it, but I'm going organic, alright? Yes. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, my viewers. Whoa, my viewers. Whoa, my viewers. Whoa, my viewers. This is whoa, my viewers. Whoa, where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Where is the spoon? Oh. Yeah, my viewers and my subscribers, it is time to drink. Yeah, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, because there's a lot more coming. Alright? Yeah, man, this is the punch for the person who have diabetes, cancer, any other sickness. Yeah, you name it. You get up in the morning, you feel drowsy and lazy like you don't want to get up. This is the drink that make you up 24/7. Alright? I'm going to get my ice and return, because I'm going to fix a drink for me and you guys. Alright? Whoa, this can't work again. That can't work again to cover this thing here. Alright? I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna get my ice and return. Alright, I'm back. Back with my ice. Back with my ice. The ice is gonna make it more thicker, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa. Don't throw away. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. This is the punch for the person with diabetes, cancer, or any other sickness. Alright? This is what gives you energy. This is an energy drink. As you can see from the honey, the orange juice, the molasses, from the sea moss. The sea moss is the boss of this punch here. Alright? Let me take a taste and see what it is. Nice, man. Nice. You know what I mean? This is the punch. This is the punch, my viewers. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. My viewers and my subscribers, there's a lot more to come. You know? There's a lot more food to cook up on this channel. There's a lot of plantation to go to. Alright? So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Because if you don't hit the notification bell, you're not going to see the next video coming out. Alright? Stick and stay. Soon forward. Yeah, my viewers and my subscribers, I'm on the outside here and the rain is coming, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. If you want to watch the next video, you can watch this video here, or you watch this one over here. My name is Ever Slick if you're new here. Alright? Peace. I'm out.